And this is MathLite, and so the quick review of graphing linear inequality systems. And so I've already graphed the first inequality. And remember, to graph the inequality, you're going to graph it just like a linear function. You're going to do the y-intercept first, and you can see that that's graphed, right? We have a y-intercept of 3. We're going to use our slope. In this case is a -2/1. Remember, the top is either up or down, so negative is down. The bottom is either right or left, and so 1 is right. So we have to go down 2 into the right 1, and sure enough, from the y-intercept down 2 into the right 1, and there we are. Okay, so that's the idea, and then don't forget, with an inequality, you have to shade a side of the line. And so you go back and you look at your inequality symbol, and you say, oh, this is a less than or equal to. So less than are all the points below the line, and that's why the left-hand side is shaded. Okay, so let's do then the second inequality. And this one's in standard form, so we're going to put it in the slope-intercept form. So of course you're going to add a -4x to both sides to move that 4x, and we have -5y greater than -4x plus 20. And of course now we're going to divide everything by a -5 to move that -5, right? Now, did this on purpose. Don't forget, whenever multiplying or dividing both sides by a negative quantity, don't forget to reverse your inequality symbol. So we end up with y equals 4/5 x minus 4. Okay, plot the y-intercept first. That's at -4. From there, use my slope. Again, the top is up or down. Positive is up, so I go up 4. So I'm going to go up 4, and then the bottom is right left, positive is right. I'm going to go right 5, and I'm at the point right there. Now, don't forget, if the symbol doesn't have the equal to part, then the points of the line are not included, and to illustrate that, we use a dotted line. So this is going to be a dotted line through those 2 points. Then I have to shade the side of the line containing the solution, and it's a less than, so those are all the points below the line, all these points. Okay, now don't forget, we haven't yet shown the solution to the whole inequality, the whole system. And remember, the solution to the whole system is where all the points intersect. You could have 3 inequalities, 4 inequalities, even 5. So in this one, the point of intersection, or all the points that intersect, are right there, and that would be the solution. Now, let me throw one more thing at you. What if perchance we had this as well? What if I had x greater than or equal to 0 as a third inequality? Well, that would be the inequality right along the y-axis. And it would be all these points, right? Doesn't every point on this side have a value of greater than 0? So now if I were to shade my solution, I'm going to take my eraser, I have to get rid of this part right here, right? Because see, now I have a third inequality, and now the solution is confined to right in here, right? Now that's where we have all 3. And you can have 4 inequalities, 5 inequalities, or 100 inequalities. Okay, quick review. That's the idea.